left it?
A leprechaun.
You saw a leprechaun?
Absolutely.
He ran through the house?
Definitely.
Look, he left his footprint and gold. Oh my goodness! And look. Do you want to see the leprechaun?
No.
Are you scared of the leprechaun?
Yeah.
Okay, say goodbye to the leprechaun.
Wait, guys, what's this?
His wand.
His It's his magic wand.
Come here. Look at that. Okay, say goodbye.
We missed him. He's not. He went bye-bye.
Another clue. Look, you guys, Jocelyn, I think this one's for you.
Oh wow, what does it say, Seth?
Jocelyn, come here. Same clue. Come here.
See, I think he left you guys gold gum. That's what he was trying to be tricky. You guys have to try to maybe catch him next year.
Look, you got a notepad.
A
Look,
notebook?
McKenna, he left you stickers.